how not to ascend a horse. This was not a good day for tractor cooperation.
In the center this time. Prove a point.
A perfect representation of horsing around.
Hey, bud.
When your own tractor has beef with you. Okay, but how did he even get there? Autopilot engaged without the driver's consent. Someone's in a great mood today. Two horses kicking each other's butt. Literally. This tractor decided it didn't need a driver after all. Your hat smells familiar, and that makes me feel unsafe.
Flowers, and the cows are going, what the hell is this?
These cows ran a very unnecessary safety inspection.
Plants.
Yeah, it's not the plants, it's the time it takes to do it. Here goes the... Cara.
Looking, thinking,
Yeah, what you doing, Cara?
Harvest season, when equipment reveals its true feelings.
No, está tirando bien, no me hagas calenta que ya recién de naje. ¿Todo bien, mijo? Pirulo.
Those eyes look like he's saying a lot.
Jeez. Hey, sheep.
I don't know, looks kind of fun.
Ай да молодец, ай да хорошо.
This was absolutely a two-man job.
Oh yeah. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
He's pretty cocky, isn't he?
Now, who's on offense? Oh god, this is great. Winning. Rooster 1, Kaylee Andrea 0.
for the kids watching, please don't try this at home. The Farmstead Hula Hoop Champion. When your tractor attempts to double as a submarine.
Bon appétit les moutons! Bon appétit les filles! Ouais!
So hungry, they almost broke the table to eat.
Je te sers un peu de salade?
Turns out pet lamb is just code for tiny, determined menace. Nix has virtually turned this into a day spa.
Hi.
The farm threw a birthday party, and this is how it ended.
Okay, let him have a bite.
Here we go, buddy.
No candles in the barn, if you're wondering.
Oh.
Ooh, you know, look at his face. This is worth 32 bucks.
Yeah. There.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. He just ate
He ate the whole rest of it.
These guys have a knack for being in the craziest of places.
Well, Millie's having a snooze before her pedicure. Angel's getting her feet done. There's Jono.
This is some heavy-duty pedicure.
having a nap.
Having a nap.
अरे भाई ये क्या कर रहा है लग जाएगा ऐसे जुगाड़ मत करो भाई अरे यार भाई लोग तो कहाँ से आते आ जाते वैसे वैसे लोग
There has to be a smarter way to do this.
क्या करता है देखो अरे यार ओ
Chickens bring in the right attitude to a fight they should lose. Since you love the farm so much, you might as well get married on it. He puts the stubborn in stubborn goat. at last. The best roommates ever.
Hey.
We're at church, but I saw that you pulled up.
Yes, ma'am. Do y'all have any, like, Highland cows?
While she was at church, the cows left the farm to go see a game, I think.
We had a call about some cows out on County Road 38. And there's 4 of them out. There's a light brown one, a dark brown one, and then I think 2 black ones.
That sounds like ours. Okay, we'll come get them. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
You can tell he's not forklift certified.
All right.
Oh, fuck! That ride took an unscheduled detour.
Is she stuck?
She better be playing a prank.
I think she might be stuck. I can't tell if she's asleep or not. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Can you get up? Or are you stuck? She was stuck, but luckily she managed to get out.
Desperation has always been the mother of innovation. Beware, the tractor's up to something again. This horse's whole personality is main character. This farmer's patience clocked out early. The worst planned job so far. When you bought a rodeo horse instead of a farm horse at the auction. Sorry, buddy. The jar is winning this one. New goals. Skip the pasture. Go straight to downtown.
هاي كيفكم؟ اليوم زايرين منطقتنا؟
Even the smallest bump can send your tractor flying. How did you get outsmarted by a wheelbarrow? Another tractor pursuing its own destiny. This tree cutting attempt went exactly as it should. I can totally relate to this.
If he lets me. Drink out of that.
He's like a dog in a bull's body. Yeah, it's time to call it a day. This turned into a hay party. They don't mess around about their babies. They are nature's engineers, so he must have a plan. That tractor won't forgive these guys anytime soon.
BH 205, pai, pensa num bicho que é potência. Você tá doido, menino?
The rain just makes bad situations even worse.
Vai descer ele aqui pro cara vir arrumar, o mecânico vai vir arrumar. Nossa! Nossa! Nossa, meu Deus do céu! Nossa! Ora! Corre!
This guy is having way too much fun. This cow's got a very entitled way of asking for snacks.
Ela vai conseguir pular? Gente, alguém tem que ajudar?
This cow took one wrong turn and ended up somewhere very unexpected.
Vai devagar. Calma, Léo.
He's got a lot of love to give, whether you ask for it or not.
You just burped in my face.
Finally, the mobile hairstylist that's right for him. Mrs. Killdeer just wants to know why you're plowing in spring. Never a dull moment out here on the farm.
Oh no! Oh, widow tractor couldn't handle the jandle.
I bet the driver wished he had called in sick today.
It was your weight, Mum. Oh, that was scary.
Those cows are giving her a ton of cardio. How cute! He's trying to help. The drama kings of the farm strike again. Looks like a great day to practice your climbing.
Energy, some good goats.
Here's something you don't see every day. Legend has it, it's still spinning to this day. Tractor pulling is a real competitive sport, but this pull didn't quite go as planned.
Oh, man.
Well, there goes your fence.
Oh, here's a buffalo, Bailey.
Ooh, look how fuzzy.
I know. Supposedly they get very mean, so be careful.
What if it just tips?
Give it some, give it some. Put some.
You can't tell me he doesn't know what he's doing. Things can get really hairy when he's pissed off. When the earth turns into its own trampoline park.
Sick or what?
That's weird.
Farm life will do that to you, eventually. Dawn of the planet of the cows? It's the cows doing the grooming now. Well, someone's been eating well.
You just keep pushing. You just keep pushing right through there. You got it, baby. You're almost to the path that I plowed for you that you completely ignored.
At least she's helping make a path.
Push through there. Get that nose in there. Push that snow. There you go, baby girl. You gotta dig it. You were definitely getting your cardio this morning, aren't you? Almost to the beaten path.
Don't click off yet. If you love our videos, subscribe now and hit that bell. And wait, there's more videos for you right here on the screen. Just click on the one that grabbed your interest and enjoy. See you there.